Hi there, welcome to the Link weekly session. So, uh, this is the weekly chart, and we're seeing three different uh, distribution cycle of very different scales. Um, so, before getting started, disclaimer as usual, these are not financial advice, they're just for discussion with the online community here and for education research purpose only. So let's get started. So we all know that from like previous sessions that I have mentioned, these two yellow lines are where the price would likely hover around if there's no particular change in the market sentiment. So far, it has been behaving that way, and as of this moment, we are not seeing any particular sign of a new phase being established. So the more close scenario would be this is like a preliminary or primary support after like a massive drop. So we have this accumulation cycle, a much longer one that lasted for let's see, roughly 500 days compared to this mini accumulation cycle that lasted for 98 days, less than 100 days. This time, let's see whether it's accumulating again over here at this price level, or would it seek a low that's closer to what we have seen in 2020 to 23. The reason I say this is because the price right now is way lower than the PSY. So if we look at this cycle, obviously it's higher than the PSY, this accumulation, and then the price went up again. And the earlier one over here, the mega distribution cycle, yes, the price did fall below the PSY. Over here we see after the up first, and then eventually it climbed back again for two more LPSY, and even the third one is above the PSY level. So it's not a must that the price wouldn't be able to climb back to this yellow line up here. It all depends on like whatever news come out from the market. It's all more or less news driven. So as of this moment in time, if there's nothing too good or too bad, this is the range. This would continue to be the range. If we look at the daily chart, I have to adjust this a little. We see the little peaks up over there. If I change it to a line chart, is easier to adjust. If we discount the wicks of the candles, so this is hitting the top edge of the blue box, the downward playground zone. So what does it mean? There's a likely chance either today or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow that it would either hover around here and eventually test the yellow line over here. If the price successfully defend above this support line, that's like a good sign. At least it may break outside of the box and probably do some horizontal movement before it either tests the upper bounds or it starts another downward playground zone again. So it's critical for the next 2 days or even later today, because today there's still more than 21 hours left. So let's see what's going to happen. If we look at the volume, it's been declining bit by bit over the last 3 days compared to 4 days ago, where we had quite a bit of selling basically. once the price hit the upper yellow line. So right now, as I said, as it reaches the resistance area, there's some kind of direction seeking at the moment. So let's see what would happen for Chainlink. And I'll move